Keeping your home cool in the summer and warm in the winter is important to every homeowner. But doing that more efficiently and saving people money, now that is the best part.
Ducted systems is an antiquated form of technology. A lot of rooms, if they don't have the right supply and return air combination, they're just never going to be comfortable. And the biggest problem that we see in this industry is the rooms on the second floor from the main floor, there's just a wide range of temperature differential. You'll see anywhere from 10 to 15 degrees from upstairs to the main level. And then from the main level, if the home has a basement, it'll be even colder down there. What our systems do is we basically simplify that because we can condition each individual level independently and each room on those levels independently as well. Ducted systems are inefficient, they're loud. Typically they're working off of one thermostat, and that thermostat will be in the hallway or in some common area, and our systems, we're able to condition every single spot. Ducted systems can't do that. Mitsubishi Electric's systems are room-to-room zone control. So not only that, you can have total comfort, individual temperatures all throughout your home.
Ductless Plus installs top-quality ductless HVAC systems all over Colorado. As an incredible alternative to traditional HVAC, ductless systems provide money savings, improved efficiency, and even better air quality.
Mitsubishi Electric and Ductless Plus, we can give you a solution that you've never had before or you didn't know you had. So it's an amazing product, and it's 40% more efficient than a traditional system. Mitsubishi Electric's technology is called variable refrigerant flow. And what that is instead of going from 0 to 100% on, our machines will actually send in a variable amount of refrigerant per call. Instead of having a differential of a degree, Mitsubishi Electric's technology is trying to plateau that and keep it within 1/10 of a degree. So the way they're able to do that is by sending in the refrigerant in a variable fashion. Instead of 100%, we can send in just the amount we need to remove that 1/10 of a degree to maintain that plateau comfort that you're looking for.
Mitsubishi Electric has been in the United States about 45 years. Our products are highly engineered and designed to last. Mitsubishi is also a recognized brand. The 3-diamond logo stands for longevity, efficiency, and quality. It also represents the people behind the product. Mitsubishi Electric all-climate hyperheat heat pumps are designed to perform in any season, any region. They can provide cooling down to 22 degrees Fahrenheit. And you might ask yourself, what is that? Well, that is International Falls, Minnesota, or Fairbanks, Alaska. Mitsubishi Electric products provide you with individualized comfort. So when it's super cold outside, you can control each and individual room in your home or in your business to the level of comfort that you desire.
Customer service is incredibly important to every company, but especially to a company who prides themselves in creating high-tech systems to keep homeowners and their families comfortable.
Customer service is critical because if you can't supply customer service, then you are just not going to be in business. We'll do whatever we can to make sure that our customers are 100% satisfied.
When you contact Ductless Plus, you speak to Jared. He designs your system first from the ground up, and you get to see what his thoughts are on the size of your house and his professional input. Being here on time, the work was done in an extremely clean environment. They never left a mess, and we've never had an issue since it was installed at day one, so we're fully happy. Well, the ductless system for us is efficiency. That's probably the number one thing. We're able to cool the rooms we use, heat the rooms we use, and not do that in rooms we're not using, depending upon the season. It's greatly lowered our electric bill from prior years in other homes we've had.
We're an elite contractor, so Ductless Plus is allowed to offer a 12-year warranty on everything that we sell, as far as components, parts. We also offer a 12-year warranty on the compressor itself, and then we also will give all of our customers a 10-year free labor warranty. The reason why we give you that warranty is because we can stand behind Mitsubishi's 12-year warranty, knowing that it's a high-quality product and it's designed to last for 30 years.
To learn more about Ductless Plus and how a ductless HVAC system can change your home, visit their website, ductlessplus.com, or see this segment again at designingspaces.tv.